video, we will take a look at how we can use exponents on scientific notation without having to go through all the work of conversions. We'll introduce this idea with the problem at the top here, 5a cubed, and then the whole thing is squared. We've seen the power of a product rule, which says we take the power of 2 and put it onto each factor. We would then square the 5 to get 25. And then the power of a power rule says we will multiply the exponents on the a. 2 times 3 is 6, giving us 25a to the 6th. We can follow this same pattern using scientific notation. As we do, we will treat the 10 as if it were a variable. When we see this expression is cubed, we'll take the cubed and put it onto each factor. We'll probably want to use our calculator to find 1.8 cubed, or 1.8 to the third power, which is 5.832 times 10. And then on the tens, we use our exponent property, which says we multiply the exponents. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And we have our final answer, already in scientific notation. We got this answer by using our exponent property with the cube, putting 1.8 cubed, and then also multiplying the exponents on the 10.